President Rodrigo Duterte wants to correct a provision in the motorcycle crime prevention law, which requires motorcycles to have two bigger license plates. He cited safety concerns during a speech at a motorcycle convention in Iloilo City over the weekend. The president, who's also a motorcycle enthusiast, says he will discuss the matter with the Land Transportation Office. He will also schedule a meeting with Senator Richard Gordon, the author of the bill. Here's the president in his own words.
I will try to convince the LTO to maybe hang on to it. I-suspend ko lang muna. Kasi it is not good. It is dangerous to place another gadget. Lalo na may kanto. May kanto yung plate number. It could be a plastic or it could be an aluminum. But still, with an impact na gano'n, tutusok yan sa helmet mo. Delikado eh. Well, anything that is sharp there, hindi maganda. As a compromise, ganito, lakihan na lang ninyo ang plate number sa likod by 1/4. 1/4 lang, dagdagan mo lang ng gano'n. Lakihan mo lang para makita talaga yung number. Just to remove the objection. Lakihan mo lang para makita mo. Total ang importante talaga yung sa likod. Yung sa harap, hindi ko na. Kung may barilan dyan, hindi mo na matignan yan. Pero kung paalis na, talaga that's the reason why it's only at the back place, at the back of.
Riders have protested against the law, saying bigger plates in front of their motorbikes could be dangerous. The president said he signed the measure upon the recommendation of the police and military. Earlier, LTO Chief Edgar Galvante said they already formed the technical working group that will craft the laws implementing rules and regulations. We now talk to LTO Chief Edgar Galvante. Good morning, sir, and thank you for taking our call.
Good morning, Tina, and good morning to your viewers and listeners.
Sir, again, in a speech last week, the president said he will discuss this issue on the motorcycle license plates with the LTO. Have you heard from the president so far? Has he given you any official orders since then?
Actually, I was there in the convention, and I heard the statement of the president, and we'll take his advice and prepare accordingly.
Sir, but the president talked about what seems to be a compromise. Wag na daw lagyan sa harap, perhaps just make the plate at the back a bit bigger. And also he talked about specifically lowering the fines. Wouldn't that require a new law or an amendment to this new law?
There are things that we can already start crafting, no? Kasi kung aantayin natin yung nakalagay sa batas ng 90 days, we might not be able to comply with some of the provisions or most of the provisions. Kaya noon pa lang, nung lumabas yan, nag-craft na kami at we started consulting with the stakeholders. Yung pangamba nilang plate sa harap na hindi man ibig sabihin bita lang gagamitin dito. Pero kung eventually mabago yon, mapalitan, the president stated that he would talk to Senator Gordon, the principal author of the law. Maybe something can be done. But as far as LTO is concerned, kung ano yung pinugutos sa amin para hindi man kami magipit at hindi rin mabaliwala yung provision na makakatulong naman, paghahanda na namin yon.
Sir, paano po yun na? So, you will do this through the IRR, and how soon po ba ninyo target makompleto itong IRR?
Binigyan kami ng 90 days to complete it. And again, we'll do our best to comply with the requirements.
Sir, what is your position on this? Because the LTO, I understand, expressed openness to such, these measures. Talaga po bang delikado nga ang pagkakaroon ng plate sa harap? And paano naman po yung, again, aspect of addressing crime?
nung dinidiscuss pa lang during the hearing, we made our recommendations. Kaya lang, kung siyempre sa aming recommendation, kung anong lumabas sa batas, yun ang aming patutupad.
Ano po yung nirecommend niyo nung panahon na
Even
yun, sir?
before, kung iniisip na namin na kung ang maglalagay pa rin ng plaka sa harap, hindi namin iniisip na metal ang gagamitin dito. In fact, pinag-iisipan na namin kung yun ay matuloy, yung material na ginagamit for stickers, decals, would suffice, we feel, kung lalakihan lang yung yung font nung para mabasa nga yung nakalagay sa batas na within 15 meters, mabasa yung nakasulat.
So, will you be making that perhaps recommendation to the President na ituloy pa rin yung sa harap and just give an assurance that it will not be dangerous?
Sa amin, kung ano yung final, yun ang susundin namin. But again, ang sinasabi ko lang, gusto kong tanggalin yung pangamba ng mga motorcycle riders that dangerous yung ilalagay. No. Again, ang problema namin doon, given the models of motorcycles, kung saan namin ilalagay sa harap. Well and good kung finally it's decided na wala sa harap, sa likod lang na malaki, okay sa amin yun. No? Okay sa amin yun. In fact, sabi ko nga, naghahanda na kami, nagawa na kami ng sample, and we tried viewing our sample from a distance of 15 meters. And the advice of the President na dagdagan lang ng 1/4, we feel that we can still comply with a plate that is readable from a distance of 15 meters.
And as for the lowering of fines, sir, do you agree that it's a bit too stiff? Parang 50,000 to 100,000?
Yung lowering of fines, wala sa kapangyarihan ng LTO yun . So, kung anong mapag-usapan ng both House at Congress, yun ang aming, at aprubahan ng Presidente, yun ang aming patutupad.
So lastly, sir lang, hindi na po kakailanganin ng amendment to the existing law. Paano po ba?
Given the procedure, I think Congress has enough power, enough authority to do what is necessary para yung, kumbaga, win-win naman, yung solution natin.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, sir. That's LTO Chief Edgar Galvante.